Come cook with me. Hopefully not in buns. Welcome back. Today we are making rice and stew with turkey, and yes, I'm already hungry. First things first, our turkey is already cooking because turkey likes to take its sweet time. Our fresh tomato mix, tomato, pepper, onion and all the good stuff is already on the fire cooking down. I always add red pepper because the flavor, oh my goodness, chef kiss. Now the tomato mix is looking good, so it's time to add our blended pepper. They need to dry together like best friends that refuse to separate. Yeah. Then I decided to do a little onion magic. Don't ask me what I did, just know it works, and I felt like a professional chef for about 10 seconds. Our tomato mix is finally ready. Time to fry. Into the pan goes vegetable oil, a little salt, some onions, bay leaf, curry. Give everything a good mix. Then in goes our tomato mix. Can we all just appreciate how gorgeous this looks? While the stew is frying, let's not waste time. We have boiling rice because in this kitchen, everybody is working overtime. Don't abandon your stew. Stir it, check it, encourage it because bun stew has a special way of humbling people. You know what I mean? Our rice is ready for rinse. So we drain it, wash it well, and put it back on to cook until it's nice and fluffy. Now our stew has fried beautifully. Time to add the turkey stock, pork cubes, crayfish because I don't skip crayfish unless I want my ancestors to ask questions, plus a little salt. After it boils, some of the turkey joins the stew while the fried ones stay on standby because somebody in this house like options. And just like that, our rice is ready, our stew is rich and delicious, and this turkey looking like it's paid rent. Now grab a plate, let's enjoy this meal together. But if you're watching with that food, I'm sincerely not sorry.
My name is Shandei.